After DeepSeek, Indian social media has just one question. If China can, why not India? Why can't we build a Facebook or Google or ChatGPT?
AI has quickly become part of everyday life, with AI-powered features integrated into everything from search engines and cell phones to hospital equipment and politics.
Artificial intelligence, the two words that are changing how the world works. But in a country like India, 4 billion people, thousands of languages, centuries of tradition, can AI really solve our problems? Or are we just importing someone else's future? This isn't a tech story. This is a human story. It's about India's leap into the future and what we might be leaving behind. Let's start with the facts. In 2023, the government of India launched a dedicated Rs. 0 crore mission, IndiaAI.
AI मिशन के तहत 10,300
The goal to develop a national AI ecosystem, centers of excellence, AI-specific chips, public datasets, startup funding. The ambition is big, and for once well-funded. This is no accident. In the race between the US and China, India sees an opening, a soft power move, an opportunity to leapfrog in governance, education, agriculture, and healthcare. And yes, credit where it's due, the government is taking this seriously. We've got the brains. India produces over 1 million engineering graduates a year. From IITs to AIMs, from Google DeepMind engineers to Bharat GPT, Indian talent is shaping global algorithms. Even global giants, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, are pouring billions into India's AI infrastructure. Not just for cost-cutting, but because the talent here is real. India will not be left behind in AI. But we must ask, are we building for India, or just building for someone else? Honest. India lives in two realities. In Bengaluru, AI is predicting customer preferences. In Bihar, a school doesn't have a working fan. Only 33% of households in rural India have internet access. AI cannot be for all, if only a few can even access it. This isn't a criticism of technology, this is a wake-up call. The risk isn't that AI will fail. It's that it will succeed, but only for the top 5%. AI gives power, but unchecked, it can also take freedoms. India is deploying facial recognition at railway stations using AI to monitor social media and experimenting with predictive policing. But where are the guardrails? We don't yet have a full-fledged data protection law. Citizens don't fully know how their data is collected, stored, or used. And without transparency, power can quietly turn into surveillance. A state that fears its people will use AI to monitor them. A state that trusts them will use AI to empower them. But let's not forget why the push is happening now. Globally, AI is not just about technology. It's about power. China has launched its AI governance framework. The US controls most foundational models. India has to play catch-up or get caught out. So yes, the government is moving fast. Building data centers, funding AI chips, creating partnerships with academia and private companies. This isn't just economics. It's geopolitical survival. But if we want AI to work for India, not just for headlines, we need to fix some core problems. Quickly. Policy bottlenecks. Startups complain about red tape and lack of clarity. Funding gap. Only a tiny percentage of Indian AI startups get early-stage support from the government. Education mismatch. Schools still teach computer basics when kids should be learning Python. AI tools often don't understand Indian languages, accents, or cultural nuances. We need local innovation. But here's the good news: solutions exist, and they're working where they've been applied. Digital India Stack has shown we can build public infrastructure at scale. Think UPI. Karnataka's AI-based crop management tools are helping farmers predict pest attacks. AI labs in states like Tamil Nadu are being piloted in public schools. Bharat GPT and Indic NLP are trying to make AI speak our languages. What we need now is scale, vision, and urgency. If we want AI to truly empower every Indian, here's what must happen next. Launch a national AI literacy mission. Teach AI fundamentals in schools, especially in Tier 2-3 towns. Support indigenous AI chips and platforms. Reduce dependence on foreign hardware. Make AI tools multilingual and culturally aware. India isn't just English and Hindi. Establish a strong data protection law. Protect people first, not just platforms. Create a national ethics board for AI, diverse, inclusive, with real teeth. Build public AI utilities, open source tools for agriculture, law, governance, just like UPI changed fintech. India doesn't just need AI. India needs its own kind of AI. Rooted in our values, scaled for our diversity, built for our people. We stand at a crossroads. We can build a future where machines empower citizens, or one where they replace them. This isn't just a government's responsibility. This is a national moment.